Welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Thursday evening, November 13th, 2025, and we have a lineup of legal headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
tZERO welcomes back Vanessa Savino as EVP Chief Legal Officer and Board Secretary. tZERO Group, Inc. has appointed Vanessa Savino as Executive Vice President, Chief Legal Officer, and Board Secretary. Savino will lead tZERO's legal compliance and policy functions globally, driving strategic initiatives in regulated digital asset markets. She returns after 6.5 years, where she played a key role in shaping tZERO's regulatory framework. Alan Konevsky, CEO of tZERO, expressed excitement about Savino's return and highlighted her expertise in financial regulation and digital assets. Savino stated her enthusiasm for tZERO's future under Alan's leadership, aiming to strengthen the company's legal, compliance, and regulatory framework for its next phase of growth. tZERO Group, Inc. is a leading innovator in blockchain-powered multi-asset infrastructure for financial markets, offering institutional-grade solutions for tokenized securities and digital assets.
Davies Hothem Injury Law wins $1.2 million jury verdict for Hall County crash victim. Davies Hothem Injury Law secured a $1.2 million jury verdict in Hall County for a man injured in a 4-vehicle collision. The defense offered $25,000, but witnesses reported the defendant was speeding and passing in a no-passing zone, causing the crash. The client suffered from neurogenic thoracic outlet syndrome and required multiple surgeries. Despite medical bills of $200,000, the jury awarded $1.2 million after partner Christy Davies challenged defense experts. This case underscores the importance of experienced trial counsel in car accident cases, where speeding and aggressive driving are common factors. Davies Hothem Injury Law is known for client-focused advocacy and a commitment to seeking justice for their clients.
Female victim of chiropractor hires Dixon Law Office to fight sexual exploitation. A female victim of a trusted chiropractor who secretly filmed patients undressed has hired Dixon Law Office to fight against sexual exploitation. The victim, a patient of Dr. David Hansen at Hansen Family Chiropractic in Batavia, Illinois, was recorded nude without her knowledge. Dr. Hansen faces multiple felony charges after over 180 hidden camera recordings of patients, some minors, were found. The Kane County State's attorney called it one of the most egregious violations of patient privacy. Dixon Law Office's founder, G. Grant Dixon III, stated that the victim came for healing but was violated. The firm is investigating additional claims and urges anyone with information to come forward.
The Stuckey Firm announces 2025 scholarship winner, Kayla Marsh. The Stuckey Firm, LLC, proudly announces Kayla Marsh as the recipient of its 2025 scholarship. Kayla, a University of Toledo pre-law student, advocates for expanding the right to jury trials for personal injury victims. With a passion stemming from her experience at a personal injury law firm, Kayla plans to pursue a legal career advocating for fairness in the system. The Stuckey Firm, LLC, founded by Nathan Stuckey in 2018, provides personalized advocacy in personal injury cases across Ohio and West Virginia. They offer free consultations to discuss potential cases and legal strategies.
Quick Contract Review builds on early media momentum, extends $19 AI contract review for small business owners. QuickContractReview.com is extending its $19 AI contract review offer to provide affordable contract clarity to small business owners nationwide. Traditional legal reviews can be costly and time-consuming, but Quick Contract Review simplifies the process with AI-driven language analysis and trained reviewers, returning a clear report within hours. Founder Clint McDonald emphasizes the importance of contract clarity for all business owners. Upload your contract. Receive a clarity report in hours. Visit QuickContractReview.com to take advantage of the $19 introductory offer. Quick Contract Review LLC, based in Phoenix, Arizona, aims to make contract confidence accessible to businesses of all sizes through AI-powered analysis and human-reviewed reports.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.